Are you looking for powerful stories that won't take you weeks to finish? Whether you're trying to get out of a reading slump or just want a quick literary escape, these 10 short books under 150 pages prove that great storytelling doesn't need to be long. Let's dive in. First up is Of Mice and Men, a devastating novella by John Steinbeck. Set during the Great Depression, it follows two drifters, George and Lenny, chasing the American dream. It's about friendship, loneliness, and tragic choices. At only 107 pages, it leaves a lasting impact. A philosophical masterpiece in under 130 pages, The Death of Ivan Ilyich examines the life of a high court judge. He faces his mortality. It's about regret, denial, and the meaning of a well lived life. Heavy yet essential reading. Shirley Jackson's eerie tale of isolation and suspicion unfolds in just 146 pages, told by the odd and unreliable American. This gothic story captures a disturbing family dynamic after a mysterious poisoning, haunting and atmospheric. Imagine waking up as a giant insect. That's the premise of Kafka's The Metamorphosis. In less than 120 pages, he explores alienation, identity, and the dehumanizing effects of modern life. Weird, tragic, and strangely relatable. Before the Audrey Hepburn film, there was a Truman Capote's novella. In just 100 pages, he introduced us to Holly Golightly, a mysterious socialite navigating New York with wit and charm. Glamorous, nostalgic, and quite heartbreaking. Halfway through, have you read any of these already? Comment below and tell us your favorite short book, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more bookish content. Hemingway's Pulitzer-winning novella is just 127 pages and captures the epic struggle between man and nature. It's about pride, endurance, and quiet dignity. A perfect entry point for Hemingway's style. Minimal, powerful, and timeless. A feminist classic in under 120 pages, this essay-turned book by Virginia Woolf is both poetic and political. It's a meditation on creativity, gender, and the barriers women face in literature. Thought-provoking and still relevant. This Booker Prize winner is 150 pages of literary brilliance. It's about memory, guilt, and how our past isn't always what we remember. Subtle, psychological, and quite devastating. A political allegory that reads like a fable. Animal Farm is only 112 pages long, but delivers a punch. Through the lens of talking animals, Orwell critiques power, propaganda, and revolution, disturbingly relevant even today. This hidden gem is a quiet meditation on loss and memory, told by a man looking back on a childhood tragedy. It's only 135 pages long but profoundly moving, a beautiful reflection on how we process grief. These short books may not take up much shelf space, but they'll stay with you long after you finish them. Perfect for busy schedules, book challenges, or just enjoying a full story in one sitting. Which one are you picking up first? Let me know in the comments. And if you have your own favorite short read, I would love to hear it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more book recommendations every week. Until next time, happy reading.